was like, ooh, it's like that concept from me to we. It's a transition of thought. Instead of trying to fill up your own buckets, you do the work to fill yourself up so that you're full, so you can forget about yourself and focus on others. And so a lot of people, they're so busy trying to figure out their own buckets. And I use these 3 buckets. I am enough, I have enough, and I'm loved enough. And it's like, for most people, what does it take to actually be able to say, I am enough? Just being who I am is enough. I don't need to do anything. I don't need to accomplish anything. I don't need to just show up, just be. As long as I'm here, I'm enough. Just being, not doing anything. I'm not a human doing. I'm a human being. I'm being, I'm enough. Second, I have enough. Can you look around you and go, yeah, I have enough. As long as I have a heart beating in my chest and breath in my lungs, I have more than enough. And I'm loved enough. This is a hard one for most people. Can you go look yourself deep in the eyes and identify 5 things every morning that you really acknowledge and appreciate about yourself? People say, don't be vain. This has nothing to do with vanity. You're looking into your eyes. The eyes are the window to the soul. Look deeply into your own soul and identify, what do you appreciate and acknowledge about yourself each day? Your soul, who you really are, not the shell, the soul. Look beyond the shell and say, what do I really acknowledge and appreciate about who this being is being today? How they choose to show up. When those little buckets fill and fill and fill, at some point they're full and they start to overflow. When you feel like I am enough, I have enough, I'm loved enough, how you then interact with humans around you transforms. Because now you're trying to help them fill their buckets instead of constantly show them why they need to help you fill yours. A lot of times people's behavior is nothing more than a cry for help to try to get their own buckets filled. So they're showing you like, look at this new car I got, because they finally want to feel like they're enough or they have enough. Oh, look at this trip I went on, because they're trying to prove that they have enough or they are enough, or hopefully someone will love them and think they're special. Or look at my new abs. Like, it's the same story over and over and over again. It's someone trying to see, hey, I'm enough. Hey, I'm lovable. I'm loved enough, right? Can you guys love me a little more? Hey, I have enough. See, I have enough over here. Look, I have enough. And as soon as those buckets become full, again, it goes from me to we. You start seeing someone, instead of focusing on themselves, just focused on others. It's like, ooh, that's interesting. Now they're more concerned with, do you feel that you have enough? Do you feel that you are enough? Do you feel that you're loved enough? And so part of what my brain filters and hears, I love what you put together. I think it's very cool. And I think part of it is a little bit of that internal expression of like, hey, I worked hard on this. And it's one of those 3 buckets. Is it enough?